Hi and welcome to this course. In this video, I will show you how you can install WordPress on your live server. But for that, you need to make sure that your domain name server has been updated. As you can see, my name server has been updated. My domain name is not parked on GoDaddy anymore. It is pointing to my server. Now, to install WordPress on your live server, you need to log in into CPanel. So just go to the email that they sent you after you bought your service and click on the control panel link like this. I will close this one and log in into your CPanel using the username and the password that they gave you. I will type my username here and I will type my password here. You will find your username and your password in the same email. So just go to that email and copy the username and the password. And after that, click on login. And here you need to scroll down and you need to scroll down and you need to click on WordPress. So under script, click on WordPress. And here you need to click on install now. So click on install now. Here you can see my domain name is already selected. If you have more domain name, then you will have to select your domain name from here. And in the directory, you need to remove everything that is written. So remove everything that is written because you want your installation to be at buildwithshubham.com. If you type anything here, so if I type Shubham here, then my WordPress will be installed at buildwithshubham.com/Shubham. So make sure that you remove everything that is written in this box. Remove everything. Here you need to select the version. The latest one is fine. In the site setting, you need to type your site name and description. I will type tech savvy like this, and I will type the best place for tech news. And in the admin account area, you need to type your username. So I will type my username. And in the password, you need to type your password. So I will click on hide and then I will type my password. But there is one thing that I want you to understand. Don't type an easy password. You don't want your site to get hacked, right? You don't want that. So make sure that you type a very strong password here. Make sure that your password includes numbers, symbols, and capital letters and small letter. I will type my password here. I will type a very strong password like this and this. All right. And in the admin email, I will type my email. This one like this, and make sure that you don't select any of these options. You don't want this, so don't select these options and scroll down. The language is English. Don't select these options. We don't want this. And now everything is good to go. Just click on install. And you can see that your WordPress is now installing on your server. This will take some time. It might take from 10 seconds to 1 minute. Alright, congratulations. The software was installed successfully. So let's just click on it and see if this is true. And you can see that our WordPress site is live and well. So that's it for this video. I hope you had no trouble in installing WordPress on your live server. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the discussion section below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.